First time was a bust. Lines so long I missed my lunch hour. Second time, long, slow lines. I had to make quick last-minute changes to my order because they were out of everything I wanted. Today was my third time trying this place, but they make it hard for me to give it even 1 star. Short, but very slow lines. And literally, they out of everything I asked for again. There are signs plastered all over my job. Starbucks protein boxes with iced tea, $7. Guess what? They don't have the tea I want. And guess what? They don't have protein boxes. It'll probably be a waste of my time to try again.